Good day, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Noble Creative Digital Marketing Agency. Trust you guys are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to design a neural effect in Pixellab with your smartphone. So, without wasting much of your time, let's go into today's business. So, the first thing you have to do right now is to bring out your image you want to use for the work. So, this so, so um so this is the image I'm using for the work. So let me crop it. Good. So I cannot use it here now. Good. So the next thing you have to do right now is to lock it. So after you lock it, the next thing you're going to do right now is to bring out the shape. The shape. Go change it to 100. Go to opacity, reduce the opacity. Go to your stroke, then give full stroke. Then you give it white color. The stroke white color. Good. So the next thing you're going to do right now is to bring it down. No, go to edit again. Good. So it's okay like this. The next thing I'm going to do right now is to go to your relative position key and place it at the middle. Good. At the middle. Good. At the middle. So the next thing we're going to do right now is to go to your shadow. Give it a shadow. Now this is where the work is. We're going to reduce the shadow to something 5. Then give the shadow red color. Good. You duplicate it again. Go to shadow again. Give it something 10 this other time. Then you go to your relative position. Then place it on at the top. Good. So you click here again. You duplicate it. You go to your shadow again. You give it something 15. Go to your relative position again. Change it. Good. Duplicate it again. Go to your shadow again. So give it something like 920. Okay. Place it at the middle again on top. Duplicate it again. Go to your shadow. Give it something 23. Good. Go to your relative position. Then place it on top. Now duplicate again. Then give it the last one. 25. Good. So this is the last one. Then you go to your relative position key. Then you place it on top. Good. So we are done with this step. So the next thing we're going to do right now is to click on your layer. Then you click and merge them all together. Just only the circle and not the image. Good. So we are done right now with the circle. So the next thing now we are going to do right now is to place it here. So place it on top of this big. Good. So when you place it there, if you want to put it like this, it will just enter it will just enter the back. But we are not doing this. We are actually doing another thing. So you do it like this. Place at the front. Then you click on the shape. Then you go to your max tool. Go to your max tool. Yeah. Enable it. Then click here. This place. Good. You click on it. Click on it. Then you click here. This arrow that is showing here. Good. You click on it. Then you scale it. You scale it to be smaller. Good. Then you move it up. Good. So you can actually increase the scale a little bit. Good. Good. So increase it a little bit. Good. I'm cutting it so that it won't show. Good. So let me check if I'm done. Okay. Can you see it is okay? It has gone to the back. Good. It has gone to. Can you see that you have cut it? So it has gone to the back. Good. Good. So the next thing we're going to do right now is to bring out the shape. The shape. Now, what I'm going to do right now is to change the shape to black color. Change the shape to black color. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to click on your layer, then locate this, also this. we'll play the shape at the back of it. So the next thing we're going to do right now is to mesh the shape and this together. So let's do it. No, there's an error. So this going to come down. Good. This image to image them together now. So let's go. Good. So the next thing we're going to do right now is to go to your opacity. Then you can actually increase the oh, there's an error. Let's go again. Shape. Change to black color. Good. So let's bring this one forward a little bit. Good. So what we're going to do right now is to mesh them together. Let's mesh this together again. Let's check. Good. So we've made them together. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is go to opacity. Then you can actually reduce your good. So actually reduce your opacity now. Now we change the background color to black color. So let's change the background color to black color. Good. So let's still do this. Let's work on the opacity. Good. It actually okay like this. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to mesh them together again. Mesh them together again. So after meshing them together, we want to change the color. So you go to your color filter, click on the color filter, and then you can actually do it like this. Can you see it? You can actually give it any color of your choice that you want to give to it. You can actually give it any color. Can you see right now? Can you see right now? So this how was able to get this, and this I'm able to get this. So you can actually work on the brightness. So you can only work on saturation and this. So this how I got mine. Then after that you save it as PNG and as very please don't forget to like this channel, don't forget to subscribe if you are new here, and don't forget to share, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. So thank you for watching once again. I wish you best of luck. Amen.